Oh, hello everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back to English Fiesta.
FiestaEnglish.com.
So, today, let's talk about my favorite hobby. My favorite hobby. Do you know what a hobby is? A hobby is something that you do. Something that you do. So, a hobby can be playing basketball.
Morant against McConnell. Pick and roll. Morant. Oh, my word!
That can be a hobby. A hobby can be playing chess. Checkmate.
Oh my God.
Playing chess. A hobby can be dancing, singing, la 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 la, singing. These are all hobbies. Today, I'll tell you my hobby, my favorite hobby. Do you know what it is? Can you guess my favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is it's fighting. Fighting. Me? I love fighting. Fighting. I love watching fighting. I love it. I love it. For me, it's so much fun. Yeah. Fun. I love it. Me? I have other hobbies. I like to read. I like to listen to music. I like to rap. But my favorite, the one I like the most is fighting. I love fighting. What are your hobbies? What do you like to do? Swimming? Basketball? La la la, singing? What do you like to do? Let me know in the comments. Do you like to fight? Let me know. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep listening, keep learning, and your English will improve. See you in the next video. Bye.